Hello guys, what's happening? I hope you are well. So guys, I have a question for you. Don't you think that nowadays the unemployment is increasing? I have seen most of the people, they are not getting job. They are facing financial problems. So is there any solution for this? Yes, obviously, because in this video I have brought a solution for you. In this video I am going to tell 7 ways to make money from home as an English speaker. Guys, this video does not contain paid promotion. I thought I should share it, so I came. We are a family, guys. If the family doesn't help the family, then who else will? So guys, now I will tell you how can you make money from home as an English speaker. So guys, let's get right to it. But before that, like this video and subscribe my channel. So guys, do you want to learn? So let's start. The first is Webkid. Webkid is an online education platform that connects English tutors to the children of Beijing, China. If you have got high energy, love to work with children and would love to teach English to children in China, you can do this from your home. You need a bachelor degree or at least an associate degree with early childhood education and some classroom experience. You will also need a working laptop or desktop with high-speed internet. If you end up getting hired on, you can earn $14 to $22 per hour. If you want to visit the website, so the website link is in the description box. Go and check. Second is Magic Years. Similar to Webkid, Magic Years helps bridge the gap between young Chinese learners between the age of 4 to 12 by providing online learning. Certification and experience will help your chances of being hired. Here is a tip for you to increase your chance of being accepted. Be sure to take the free learning from Magic Years University. One big difference between Webkid and Magic Year is Magic Years does 4-on-1 rather than 1-on-1. They say this creates a fun and effective learning environment. If you get hired, you will earn about $20 to $26 per hour with each lesson lasting 25 minutes. Visit on its website. The website link is in the description box. Third is tax broker. If you love to write, have you ever thought about getting paid for it? You can register free at tax broker and submit a writing sample to become a paid freelance writer. After applying, they will determine your content quality and give you an author rating. You will then gain access to client job and be able to earn money for each word you write. It's not a huge money maker, but it's flexible and can help you to bring extra income. And if you love to write, then it would be something you enjoy doing. The website link is in the description box. You can go and check. Visit their website, write and earn money. Fourth is Transcribe Me. A lot of FF readers that responded to the survey mentioned that they were transcriptionists. For those that don't know, transcription is the art of turning audio to written text. All you need to work at Transcribe Me is a computer, a good internet connection and ability to listen and type. Pay start around $15 to $22 per audio hour. In the end, this is a good entry-level transcriptionist job. It will give you experience to find something that pays even better. If you take the time to train yourself in medical and legal transcription, you can earn even more money. Oh, and you can do this on your own schedule too. So that's a bonus for you. If you want to visit the website, so the website link is in the description box. Go to their website, turn your audio to written text and earn money. The fifth is Rev. Rev.com has opportunities to be a transcriptionist, captioner or translators. Each of these positions offers different pay, but they all range from $0.30 to $3 per audio minute. No matter which position you apply for, you will be able to choose your own schedule, which project you want, and you will get paid weekly. Payment is sent via PayPal. The application process consists of the two-part interview. The first part consists of the grammar and spelling test, and the second part requires you to submit a full work sample. If you pass all that, you will be registered and ready to start working. If you wanna visit the website link is in the description box below. The sixth is Skyward. Skyward is a company that looks for freelancer with all sort of different skills. You can apply for work as writer, videographer, photographer or designer. It's pretty amazing the number of options they offer. To get started, just go to their website, tell your story and upload some samples of your work. They are looking content creator with many different talents. If you have a skill in a particular area, then it's worth submitting an application. If you wanna visit the website link is available in the description box. Seventh is user testing. At usertesting.com, you will get paid to browse, review website and apps. You don't need any technical knowledge, just a computer or phone and a mic. After you sign up to become a tester, you will start receiving tests on your dashboard. You won't be accepted for them all, so make sure to read the requirements carefully. Only accept tests that fit your profile. Guys, if you wanna visit the website, so there is a website is available in the description box below. Go and check. So guys, I hope that now you will earn money. All of these websites are available in the description box. Go, check and earn money. I hope you preferred it, so like this video and subscribe my channel. Guys, subscribe. We are a family, so subscribe. Meet to you soon in the next video containing something new. Bye.